What are you doing, Sydney? You're playing with your new pool, swimming pool? Is that your fountain?
Hi, Grandpa.
Hi, Grandpa. Hi, Grandpa. I have a swimming pool. Good job. Say hi, Grandma. Say hi. Wave, wave. Wave like this. Look. Sydney's filling up her swimming pool. Really nice. All we need are peacocks. You got a fountain and a pool. Hey, Sydney, look at this. Oh my gosh, what are you doing? You're crazy. Are you spraying water? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, camera. Bye-bye.